Google was forced to cap Meta's use of its Gemini AI model after Mark Zuckerberg's company exceeded its computing capacity. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Meta does not operate its own cloud business and is trying to rapidly expand its own data center build-out, having pledged $600 billion in cloud computing investments over the next 2 years. The incident reveals that even tech giants with their own LLMs are having trouble finding enough computing power for themselves, let alone their customers. Google reportedly warned the social media company about its capacity limits in March, forcing Meta to request that companies use tokens more efficiently. Gemini AI is being used by Meta for customer service, advertiser chatbots, and coding, alongside processes like harmful content takedowns and scam detection. Meta initially chose Gemini for those things because it outperformed its own Llama open source models, and it also employs other models like Anthropic's Claude for similar purposes. Despite the billions spent so far on data centers, big companies are struggling to get enough capacity for their usage needs. Google itself recently agreed to pay SpaceX $920 million a month to use xAI's data centers due to the extra computing power required for Gemini Enterprise. AI power users are benefiting from the boom, but providers like OpenAI aren't profiting yet, since revenue earned from AI so far is a small percentage of the cost. Recently, token prices have surged, forcing some companies to back off on AI usage, including the AI companies themselves. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.